What's happening, everyone? So I'm gonna do something a little bit different today. I'm going to take you guys on a ride along, and I think I might do this an ongoing thing. Every time I explore California, I'll take you guys along to see what I see and the shots that I take, so I want to remember all this. And not that I haven't been exploring California, but everything I've been doing is for the kids. What's good for the kids, fun for as a family. So that's kind of the main thing that G and I have been doing. But I promised myself that I want to dedicate a little part of the week before stuff gets crazy, and it's not crazy enough, to do stuff kind of for me and to keep the creative fire going with photography. Today I'm going to check this place out that every time I drive by I've been dying to see. It's this. This is a hangar. This is wild. This thing's huge. So every time I drive by and I drop off the kids, I see this ginormous hangar. And I'm like an architectural freak. I love architectural photography and buildings. I don't know. So let's head over and check that out now. Okay, so I guess I should have realized that this is a heavy-duty, hardcore military NASA space base that's filled with cops. And yeah, so for the past half an hour, I was questioned by the police on how come I have an Ontario plate still, why don't I have a California license, and the reason is, and I'll probably get into another blog, is they're backed up. So the cop was super understanding. But yeah, that's crazy. I should have done some research. I should have realized that this place is that. Anyways, I'm here. So this is it. That's that hangar behind me. This thing's wild. Check this out. It's crazy. I've never seen something like this. I'm actually a little bit freaked out right now because I don't know. This is like, I see military stuff everywhere. I don't know if I'm allowed to be here, but I'm gonna walk around and hopefully not get shot. Huh. Check that out too. See that behind me? It's like a fighter copter. Wow. I just need to get a good shot of this building. So this is like a ghost town right now, which is really weird and eerie feeling. There's not a person in sight. Yeah, but I'm trying to figure out, should I bust out my camera? Like, not this camera, but my main camera, as I'm walking to the front of this cool building and take a shot without getting shot? I'm sure I'm allowed. Yeah, anyways, I'm looking for the front. Again, check that out. It's like a old school type gas station that's probably in use right now. Here's the front of this hangar. Check this out. You know what, I think I'm going to walk back to my car, and I think I'm going to get my camera, my main camera, and tripod and set it up so I can get a shot of this behind me. I think what's the best way? Oh cool, check out that, that looks like a space shuttle. I don't know if you guys can see that. Of course not, because I'm on a super wide. Here it is again. This thing's wild! So just some guy just stopped off. Not too sure if he works here, but he was telling me that there used to be panels here that covered up the whole thing, and they took them off because it had lead, it was poisonous, and then the size of this, it's crazy. You have to be here to see this. The size of this is about 3 to 4 football fields. It's just wild, man. Okay, so came back. I have a tripod now. I think I'm gonna take the shot from right here. I want to get that jet that's right back there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, every time I bust out a tripod, I guarantee security's gonna come. But I should be okay. So, hope you enjoyed coming with me. That's kind of my first and many more, oh, my little bit crooked here, of this Ride Along Shoot With Me series. Now that I'm like kind of half an hour into this place. People are super nice. Lots of people stopped by, asked what I was doing, gave me some brief history of the place. I think I was just a little bit spooked out by the cops, and you know what? They had every right to be. I had Ontario plates, I had cameras in the front here. But anyways, everything turned out pretty cool. Check out the pic that I shot right here. So if you like what you saw and want me to do more of these things, feel free to fire me a comment and let me know. Like and subscribe, that's always awesome. And don't forget to follow me here, all my pro work, and here. Kind of more of my personal stuff if you'd like to see. Anyways, thanks so much, and I'll see you guys soon.